They call it the future of longevity tracking, a sleek, screenless band that promises to measure how fast you're aging and how efficiently your body uses energy. That's the pitch behind the Hume Band, a $279 one-time purchase with no subscription, claiming to outsmart the competition by tracking your metabolic capacity and predicting long-term health trends. Sounds revolutionary, right? But when the hype meets the real world, things start to look a lot more complicated. The band's minimal design feels premium, but that simplicity hides a few frustrating surprises. Many users report finishing intense HIIT sessions only to see 0 active calories burned, raising serious questions about how Hume interprets activity. Its real-time tracking algorithm often struggles to detect short bursts of effort, meaning it might miss the very workouts that matter most. And while Hume markets its AI longevity coaching as a personalized health guide, it often spits out vague advice that feels copy-pasted, think stay consistent or keep moving, instead of actionable insights based on your data. Even the much-hyped metabolic capacity and momentum scores can feel abstract, leaving you wondering what they actually mean for your health or daily life. On the bright side, the one-time purchase model does save you from recurring Whoop-style fees, but the trade-off is limited updates and support. Reviewers in major publications praise its scientific approach. Yet real users tell a different story, one of inconsistent readings, confusing metrics, and workouts that sometimes vanish from the data altogether. So, is the Hume Band a breakthrough or just another wearable with good marketing? Honestly, it sits somewhere in the middle. An ambitious concept with promise, but far from the perfect tool it claims to be. If you're buying it expecting a miracle longevity tracker, you might end up tracking mostly frustration.